maximizing fitness in a busy work week.
Balancing a demanding career with health goals can be challenging. However, a strategic weekly workout planner can help busy professionals stay active without overwhelming their schedules. With just a few well-planned sessions, anyone can boost energy, reduce stress, and maintain long-term health. Let's explore a practical step-by-step approach to efficient weekly fitness.
Step 1. Prioritize your goals.
Start by defining your fitness priorities. Do you want to improve strength, boost cardio health, or simply stay active? Clear goals make it easier to choose the right exercises and stay motivated. Focus on outcomes that fit your lifestyle, such as increased energy, better focus at work, or improved mobility.
Step 2. Time-saving workouts.
Choose workouts that offer maximum benefit in minimal time. High-intensity interval training, circuit routines, or full-body strength sessions can be completed in 20 to 30 minutes. 3 to 4 workouts each week are often enough to see results. Schedule these sessions as appointments in your calendar to increase consistency.
Step 3. Smart scheduling strategies.
Integrate workouts into your existing routine. Early mornings, lunch breaks, or right after work can all become fitness opportunities. Combine activities with daily tasks, like walking during conference calls or cycling for short commutes. Flexibility and creativity help ensure exercise becomes a sustainable part of your week.
Step 4. Recovery and motivation.
Rest and recovery are vital, especially with a busy schedule. Include rest days and gentle movement like stretching or walking to prevent burnout. Track your progress with simple logs or apps and celebrate achievements to maintain motivation. Remember, consistency beats perfection. What matters most is sticking to your routine.
Putting it all together.
A weekly workout plan for professionals is about quality, not quantity. By setting clear goals, choosing efficient exercises, and fitting activity into your lifestyle, you can stay healthy without sacrificing time. Your action plan starts today. Block out your sessions, keep them short and focused, and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, more energized you.